The topic of today's video is how to set up dividend reinvestment on Webull. Now, this one is a bit problematic as I believe it's not available on margin accounts or individual accounts. It has to be an individual cash account or cash account. So I won't have the option here, but I can show you where to find it. You are going to be on the Webull icon here in the center. And if you look on the top right-hand side of the screen, you'll see this icon. You're going to click on that, and inside here, if you scroll down again, I won't have it, but you'll see the dividend reinvestment option, also known as DRIP. And once you go in there, you will be able to select the stocks that you have available for dividend reinvestment. So I hope that helps you out. Again, you need to be on a cash account for this. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.